Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a Blueberry Funded account with USDT. First, go to the official website of Blueberry Funded. Click on Get Funded or Buy Challenge. Then choose your preferred account size based on your trading goals. Next, select one of the available options such as the 1-step or 2-step challenge. Carefully review the profit target, drawdown rules, and any time limits before continuing. Once you understand the rules, click on Proceed to Checkout. On the payment page, choose crypto payment as your payment method. Then select USDT, Tether, and confirm the correct network, such as ERC20, TRC20, or PEP20. Make sure the selected network matches the network supported by your wallet to avoid losing funds. After that, copy the payment wallet address provided on the screen. Now, open your crypto wallet or exchange, select Send USDT, paste the copied address, and enter the exactly amount shown on the payment page. Double-check all the details, then confirm the transaction. The payment will usually be confirmed after blockchain verification. Do not refresh or close the page until the payment is fully processed. Once successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Finally, check your email for your MT4 or MT5 login credentials, server details, and access to your trading dashboard. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.